Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EGLE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Wednesday and then today, Thursday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day the past couple of days, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance as we head into Friday. First level of support that stands out to me is right here at the $4.55 mark. This one was essentially where the price bottomed out at yesterday, and then this morning things got a little bit crazy with the price falling down below it. But to give full credit where credit's due, the price did, recover very quickly and nicely and got back above there, and has never since, been down to revisit that area or anything. But in the event on Friday, the price does go down there and revisit 455. Again, that would be an important level of support. And the reason I call that pretty important is because the next level, if that were to not hold up, is essentially not until the lows all the way down here to right around $4.30. And, not that that's necessarily a bad thing, because, at that point, you would still have the potential for the price to, maybe come down here, go down there, and then, get the bounce because you'd have the triple bottom right here. But like I said, I think I speak for people when, for the people that are up, entered in around here, I don't think anybody really wants to see it go down to 430. But from strictly just a technical point of view and looking at where the levels of support are, 455 and then 430 going to be those two key levels going into Friday. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the main overarching one to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there. I get it, that line's kind of way up there, but that is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as Friday and then next week play out, that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant. So keep an overall eye on that. But really right now, key priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about just going through some healthy consolidations and continuing to chip and build higher bases. So as long as you have price movement, such as this taking effect, where you have these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's what's going to ultimately turn the chart around, is higher stair steps, not exploding to the upwards direction. And I get it, making huge moves is exciting, but from more of a health perspective, slow and steady, building those higher stair steps, that's how those longer lasting type movements exist and really maintain themselves. So let's see if the bulls can continue to chip away with higher bases or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.